I know it.
How do you stand that? I can't even get this close.
I am. Okay.
Yo, is it hot out here or is it just me?
Here comes up. Here comes up, buddy.
Nah, I'd rather hold a bit different finger.